Hey, what's up, everyone? This is welcome to the Juan and Jaden channel. Here I am with another unboxing. I know I haven't posted any videos in quite some time. Actually, I've been kind of neglectful in doing that. Anyway, let's get into what this unboxing is here. This came the other day. Let's open this up. Sorry about that. Knocked everything over. This box is extremely large. They could actually send a smaller box. Jeez. All right. Well, isn't this a nice, colorful box here? Yeah, look at this box. This is nice. It's a nice little, colorful little box here. All right. So, as you can see from the symbols, these are the Kyrie earrings. This is the Kyrie 6 preheat. All right, let's see what these look like here. I've bought Kyrie shoes before, but I never kept them. It's just to sell them. So these were a secret release, because these actually did not come out until December, but these were a secret release that I got a notification on, and so I purchased them. So this is quite interesting. All right, so these are definitely different than the Kyrie 5s. You see, you got Velcro strap here. It's pretty nice. See the little designs here. Now he has like this whole Egypt feel with all of his shoes here. It's like an Egypt type of feel, maybe Native American, since he recently found out he's Native American. Maybe has some of those symbols in there too. I have no idea what this means. If anyone knows what this means, please leave a comment under this video. Oh, it's got a little hologram stuff in there. This is pretty cool. Yeah, it's definitely multiple colors in this. Yeah, that's a nice looking toe box. The front of this toe box reminds me of the LeBron 14s. If any of you remember the LeBron 14s, this is what this toe box here resembles. This right here is, I guess when you're doing toe drags, this is a hard rubber. Looks like the Big Dipper here, but this is hard rubber here. I guess for those of you doing all this Euro step stuff for your toe drags, there you go. So let's look at the bottom of the soles here. Very colorful. I guess that's his signature here. Looks like this would be pretty durable. Like I said, I've purchased Kyrie shoes before, but I've never worn them. And I've never tried them out on the basketball court to see how they feel. I may do it with these. Maybe not. I don't know. I already have a buyer for these, so if I did that, I couldn't get them dirty. This is nice. Very hard rubber compound here. I will say the red part feels definitely different than the rest of the shoe. So here's this side. Very nice. This is pretty cool in a way. There you go. Let's see how this tongue looks. Alright, inside the shoe. I don't know. If any of you know what some of these symbols mean, please leave a comment. Let me know. So, this right here, this area of the shoe, kind of reminds me of the KDs, the KD 12s. I don't know why I kind of get a KD 12 feeling here. Like I get a LeBron 14 feeling up here in the toe box area. Aesthetically, I don't know if I like these aesthetically. I don't know. Maybe in different colorways. Maybe. Yeah, I don't know. But here you go. This is an unboxing. Maybe if I end up wearing these and get on the basketball court with these, I will give another review on how these feel. All right, guys. Hope you like this little unboxing here. It's pretty quick. So zoom. So I guess you got zoom air throughout the sole here. This feels like it's very hard. It's hard. Yeah, it's a very stiff shoe. But let's see what happens when you break them in and wear them. All right, here they are. Kyrie 6 preheat. All right, guys. Peace.